The function f is 1, 1 if different points in the domain have different images. But in order to prove that f is 1, 1, the usual method is we start by assuming f of x1 equal to f of x2, then try to prove that x1 equal to x2. So here f of x1 equal to x1 by root 1 plus x1 square and f of x2 equal to x2 by root 1 plus x2 square. So we start by equating f of x1 equal to f of x2. Here note that the denominator is non-negative, so this means x1 and x2 should have the same sign. Square both sides and try to rearrange. Use the identity for a square minus b square. By the condition 1, we can reject x1 equal to minus x2. So we are left with only x1 equal to x2. So we have proved that f is 1, 1. Check if f is onto or not. We will start from the codomain, take y in the codomain and see if y has a preimage in the domain. Or we can check if range equal to codomain. In this problem, both the domain and the codomain is the set of real numbers. We start by taking y belongs to the codomain R. Equate y equal to f of x and try to solve for x in terms of y. For convenience, we'll start by squaring both sides. Rearrange and collect the terms containing x. Here we note that 1 minus y square is in the denominator and is inside the square root. So that means 1 minus y square should be strictly positive. This again means y should belong to open interval minus 1 to 1. So we can say that the range of f is nothing but open interval minus 1 to 1. So the range is not equal to the codomain. That means f is not onto.